What I really love about Swiss machining is it's the closest I can get to carving a Michelangelo out of marble.
I say the secret to machining a hard material with the Swiss style lathe is consistency.
The most important thing to do while we're working on a part is chip control and tool life. To maintain that chip control and tool life, you'd make consistent parts.
Right now, Bergeron has 5 relatively new Swiss machines with capabilities up to 42 millimeters in diameter.
Not only is Bergeron's ability to do Swiss machining top-notch, but their ability to do it with hardened materials and difficult to cut materials is what sets them apart in the global market.
We focus on the tough stuff. We want to do the hard projects and parts that most people just don't want to do.
Bergeron's different from most Swiss machine shops, primarily due to the types of materials we machine. Super alloys, very high nickel, very difficult to work with, bad chip conditions, things like that.
They like to take on the super difficult parts with extreme tolerances and geometries and super difficult materials. So we're talking Monel, Inconel, titanium, the heavy stainlesses. Not a lot of Swiss screw machine shops want to take on the difficult parts in both of those categories.
Nickel-based alloys are difficult to machine because they have a tendency to work harden. Once they have work hardened, you lose tolerance, parts overheat, they discolor. So speeds and feeds are very critical, and it needs constant monitoring by the operator to ensure a quality product.
One of the most difficult I worked with here is Inconel 600. It's so tough, it's so hard to cut, and it requires very precise programming to make the tools last, to make it have a nice finish.
To be able to machine these hard materials, you need to be able to spend the time to develop the process. You have to stick to the process, and you have to have operators checking the parts every 10 to 15 minutes to ensure that the tools are wearing the way that you would like them to, and also that you're holding tolerances and maintaining a quality part.
We really strive to implement processes and improvements that can keep us competitive on a global standpoint.
Because Bergeron kind of takes on that stuff nobody really likes or loves or views it as hard to make money doing that, that's a very attractive quality to Bergeron.
Especially this part here is challenged to do, but I love it because I love challenge. For this part in particular, we overcome not too long ago an issue that we have the machine between our customers and we as a company, and we overcome the difficulties, and working together we overcome the problem that we have.
It is quite challenging, but it's a lot of fun to learn. There's always something new to learn every day. I feel great about doing the jobs that we do that most companies can't acquire to do.
We're the only one that is doing it, and we still feel very competitive among each other to do the best we can every single day.
It feels good coming in every single day. You know, it's not one of those things where you wake up and you groan like, oh, it's another Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It doesn't feel that, you know. You know how they say, like, if you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work.